Hello everyone. Today you will see the production process of the steering cross tie rod for MAZ and KAMAZ vehicles. An interesting feature of this tie rod is its external thread end fittings, and the rod itself is straight. Step 1. Preparing the tubing. The process begins with preparing the tubing of the required diameter and length. This initial step is crucial to ensure that the raw material meets the specifications needed for further processing. Step 2. Setting up and securing the tubing on the lathe. Next, we install and secure the tubing in the lathe. Correct setup and alignment are essential to ensure precise and safe machining. The tubing must be firmly fixed to prevent any movement during the machining process. Rough machining. In the initial phase of machining, excess material is removed from the outer surface of the tubing. This step shapes the tubing closer to its final form and prepares it for more detailed work. Thread cutting. Threads are cut on both ends of the tie rod. This threading is necessary for attaching the end fittings. Precision in this step is vital as the quality of the thread affects the reliability of the connection. Special threading tools and machines are used to achieve high-quality, durable threads. Fitting the end pieces. After threading, the end pieces are attached. You will see how easily and securely the end fittings are screwed onto the threaded ends of the tie rod. Each end fitting is tightened and secured using specific tools to ensure it is firmly attached with no play, which is crucial for the stability and safety of the steering system. Final stage, coating and inspection. Applying protective coating. The final stage of production involves applying a protective coating to the surface of the tie rod. This coating prevents corrosion and extends the life of the component. The coating is applied uniformly using modern technology to ensure it withstands harsh environmental conditions. Marking. The finished product is marked according to standard requirements. This marking ensures full traceability and confirms that the product meets all technical specifications.